The primary trade line hack nobody's teaching you. Yo, real quick, if your credit is trash or you're rebuilding it, you're probably doing it wrong. Let me show you the real primary trade lines people sleep on. Everybody runs to credit cards first, but lenders don't care how many cards you apply for. They care about history, payment behavior, and age. These are the primaries that report as your own account. No cosigner, no AU nonsense. Self-lender, automatic payment history, no hard pull. Credit strong, builds installment credit and age. Kickoff, the easiest $5 a month trade line that reports every 30 days. Affirm plus Klarna combo, small purchases, pay on time, and boom, multiple primaries reporting. Lockbox, if available, another secured installment that beefs up your file. Stack 3 to 5 of these at the same time, and your profile starts looking like you've had credit for years, even if you just started this month. And this is nothing. In the full video, I break down the underground primaries that credit repair gurus never talk about, and how to flip them into $10,000 plus approvals. Hit follow so you don't miss that one.